I've also had several comments about how weird it sounds when you switch the car off. Like, apparently it growls, so I'm just going to record a video because I haven't heard it myself.